Hello everyone, and welcome to the live demonstration of a glucose sensor. Well, in previous years, usually I will let a student sort of stop myself, but because of the social distancing rules, we are not allowed to do this here. So I will have to do it myself. And we will have a few things today. So we have this is it's already on, is the glucose reader, which will give us a readout. So the concentration of glucose in my blood. Then we have this container with some test strips in there that actually expired 2 years ago, but hopefully will still work. And this is what they look like. You see the yellow part on the top. Here is where I will put my blood. And here you can see some electrodes that will just fit in right in here. And I will show you in sort of few seconds. And then the last thing I will have to use is this, which has a needle that comes out of this little hole. I will put it on my finger, prick my fingers, and then hopefully a little drop of blood, few microliters. It should be painless, but I hate needles, so I will get a bit scared. Before that, let me just show you sort of what one of these sort of test strips looks like. Let me just swap the video. Oh, I cannot do that, so I can just show you here. Maybe you can see this is, I've taken out the plastic out, and you can see the yellow bit, and you can see possibly some electrodes in there. There are all the 3 electrodes needed for the electrochemical measurement. And now I will stop talking and I will just stop myself. So the reader, first thing I need to do, take a test strip and fit it into the reader. Then I'll show you what it says. It says 222. And then if everything goes well, said, yeah, put some blood on it. So I will just put it on my finger here, pressing here. Ow, 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 ow. Hopefully there will be a little drop of blood. And you can see it here. Just push a bit more. You see, isn't that fun? Blood from your lecturer. Just trying to get a bit more. Just squeeze my finger. I think I should have pricked it a bit. I don't think this will be enough. But let me see. I'm just put in there. And then it sucks up. Now it's computing. Then hopefully you can see, I read it's 6.4, so you see backwards, 6.4 millimole per liter. So it's about 2 p.m. So I still have a bit of blood there. So it's not really painful. It's not really pleasant. And I'm lucky not to be diabetic, but if you're diabetic, you'll have to do this multiple times a day. But the beauty is just within seconds, you've seen from myself pricking my fingers to get a result. You can go from an analyte in blood to an electronic readout that tells you exactly the concentration of glucose in blood. You can see that sort of the test strip with my blood on it, which I will just throw away. And I thank you very much for your attention, and I will just go and sit down and recover from my stabbing. Bye.